If your gravy is tasting a bit bleh, it could spoil your whole Christmas dinner. So here are 3 really easy things that you might not think about adding that can give your gravy some oomph. So if your gravy is tasting a bit thin and a bit flat, what you probably want to add is some umami. Now, umami is that very savoury flavour that you get with crispy bacon, tomato puree, all those kind of things. And in your kitchen at the moment, you've probably got maybe some Worcester sauce, so you could add that. Or what I tend to add is some miso. So I'll add that to my gravy to give it a bit of extra, or you could add a stock cube or something like that. Now, if your gravy is tasting kind of quite hearty and meaty and needs a bit of pep, then I would always add some acid. Not that kind of acid. We don't want to have everyone going crazy at Christmas dinner, but this would be some vinegar. I like to use sherry vinegar because it's got a bit of sweetness as well, and you want to add that just before you serve your gravy and it'll just lift everything. I can't tell you what a difference acid makes to gravy. The other thing, so maybe you need a little bit of sweetness in your gravy, so you could put some cranberry sauce in or even some marmalade. Just a little bit just helps balance out and bring all those different flavours out. Obviously you could put some salt in there, but you probably already got quite a lot of salty stuff going on with your Christmas dinner. So I hope that helps. Just remember, taste your gravy, spend a few minutes fiddling. 9 times out of 10, vinegar will make the difference. Otherwise, a bit of miso to give it a bit more body, or a tiny bit of sweetness to balance everything out with some cranberry sauce or some marmalade.